the biggest thing that I worry about is that deflationary bust scenario where, if you've got this dollar wrecking ball that goes out of control and creates the Asian crisis 2.0, you might have this negative feedback loop that's very strong, right? That basically, and so from my perspective, my biggest concern, since my bet is a finite life resource, right? I would hate it if this deflationary bust happened in the next couple of years where my investment is starting to enter peak production, right? But that's a risk. That is definitely a risk with my type of bet versus, say, a perennial bet that has longer term prospects. The reason why I don't really think that happens is that I don't think we have this energy. First of all, this long cycle capital starvation has been happening for a long time already, right? And typically, if you want to think about it, I'm not talking about shale now. I'm talking about non-OPEC projects that are non-OPEC, non-shale projects. That area has not grown. That is the area that has been totally starved of CapEx. And the typical gestation period for those types of projects is 5 to 7 years. We know that CapEx has not gone into those projects. And so it all comes down to how disciplined is the shale response going to be to high prices, and what is the nature of true OPEC spare capacity.